This is how you replace the battery in a Fiat remote key fob. This one here is from a Fiat 500. Now start by flipping open the key. In the key slot, you'll find a symbol that says lock and unlock, just like these ones right here. Now you'll need a flathead screwdriver with a fairly small tip. Pop it into this slot, turn it clockwise, and that will unlock the battery compartment door. Next, you want to pry open the battery compartment door with your screwdriver. Once you've got it free, you can remove it completely from the key fob. Now this is the battery here. It's a CR2032, extremely popular, less than $5 for a pair of these. So grab yourself a new battery, make sure you hold on to it, not like I did, and then pop it back into the battery slot like so. Now to replace the battery door, quite easy. Just have a look at one of the ends for this black plastic hook. This needs to go to the top of the key fob like so. It takes a few wiggles to get into place, but once you do, you can simply click the door back into place like this. Now grab your screwdriver, turn the slot anti-clockwise to the lock position, and that's your battery door all locked up and ready to go. So that's how you replace the battery in your Fiat key fob remote, all working perfectly. Don't go to a dealer, do it yourself. And as always, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit the like button. Leave a comment below, that would help my channel grow. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, that would be fantastic. Beauty.